Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to view replies on Threads app. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. To view your replies on your Thread application, launch your Thread application. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged into your Thread account. Now to view replies on your Thread application, you can just locate the post and view your replies. However, it is not really reliable every time. So to check your replies, all you have to do is tap on the person icon at the bottom, and here you will see the Replies tab. Tap on it. Now right here you will see the post and a reply right at the bottom of it. You can edit your reply or even delete from here, and that is how you can easily view replies on your Threads app. However, if you face any of a bug or a glitch issue, follow this next step. Open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Threads. Now tap on the application, and if there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and then reinstall it. Then open up your phone settings. From here, scroll down, select the option of System Update, and make sure that your mobile device is up to date so that it can support the version of your Threads app. So that's basically how you can view replies on Threads app. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.